Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get rich in Zooba in 2025. So this actually works on iOS and Android. So let's get into the tutorial. So what you want to do is go to this site right here. It's called zoomods.com. They have all the modded apps. Once you're on the site, we're going to type in Zooba. And as you can see, it says Zooba mod right there. So press on it and this will start the download. So I'm just going to wait for it to download here, as you can see. So this is the site, guys, zoomods.com. They are the place to be. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. And we're going to be rich in Zooba, guys. So this Zooba mod is fully working, guys. You're going to love it. So let's just wait for it to download here, as you can see. All right, and then it's going to start loading the final step to install the Zooba mod, which gives you unlimited resources, guys. It is fully working. My internet kind of sucks, so it is going to take a minute to load the final page, but here we go, guys. We're going to install the Zooba Hack. How awesome is that, bro? So let's just wait for this to load up, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So yeah, this is super crazy. I've never experienced this slowdown though, so I'm not really sure what's going on, but we'll just wait it out, and then we should have our Zooba Hack. So let's just let it download here, as you can see. I mean, this is super cool, guys, because you can get so rich in Zooba using this mod. I got so much resources, as you guys saw earlier. Okay, so here's the page where we're going to actually like prove who we are. It's called the Zooba Verify page, and it's really simple to do. So basically what we got to do is like download some apps, and this will just like verify that we're real and stuff. So I'm just going to wait for it to load up, and then I'll show you guys how to do it. So let's just give it a second here, as you can see. All right, so here it is, Zooba mod installer. Please install 2 free apps to automatically install. So we got 4 apps here. We got to download 2 of them, read the instructions. So maybe I should turn it like this, but as you can see, Family Island down to complete level 10, TikTok down to run for 30 seconds, Swagbucks installed down the first 2 apps, SoFi, create an account. I wouldn't do this one, it looks like it involves money, but they're all free, guys. You just press on the app, you press tap to install, it'll bring you to the app store, and you just gotta download the apps. So it's pretty simple. You can see it says, please install 2 free apps to automatically install the mod if additional files are required. So yeah, it's pretty easy, guys. They all have different instructions, as you see, so you guys will not be confused. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, but make sure you guys do read this, because some people don't read them and then they get screwed because they didn't download the apps and they didn't read the instructions. So make sure you guys read them, and then it'll bring you to the app store and you just download them and you're good to go.